So in this video, we are going to learn a very easy task, how to write a code for a current date and time. Okay, there is the option in the manually, the formula is like equals to now equals to date time. Okay, so but when you perform like always you have the repetitive task, then you can use this code, the clicking the one click of and one button, you can insert it. Okay, so let's see how we can do it. Go to developer tab with the using of Alt 11 shortcut, and then click on the visual basics. Then this window will be open in front of you, and check with which sheet you are working. Like my sheet name is now current date time. Okay, so go to current date time, right click on that, insert module. Okay, you are writing code. Whenever you are writing code, use a module for the code editor. This is the code editor. Now this is a one line code. Okay, where uh, you want to see your date. Okay, so as I already show you, the formula is now. So this is starting of your code, like substitute sub sub, and insert date time to the name of your macros. Okay, so when this code will save, that in a macro list it shows this code, this name. Okay, the insert date time. So whenever you are choosing a name for a macro, always choose like what you are doing. Okay, if you are doing filtering, due to the filtering, or you are doing the protecting sheet, use as a protect sheet, export likewise, so you can easily understand the name of your macros. Now in the range, now a1, okay, a1 to dot value equals to now, because because this date is in a values. Okay, so values equals to now. So then end, then sub. Now just click on the control S, and after that, after you save this code, just run it, because I choose a1, the range is a1. So what is my code name is insert date time. Okay, you can see, yeah, insert date time, then run. You can see today's date is 28/7/2023. The time, you can see how what time I am teaching. It's 2:47. It's like around 3 a.m. now. So let's see. After, yeah, this is just what I want to show you, the how small code from you can learn. Okay, using a small word, and how dot range, then what is the like a sub end. Okay, so then you can practicing, or more than this, always try to record or video, record the macros and perform it, and then you can check what is the code for this. Okay, then you understand more deeply. Okay, yeah, so this is all about current date and time.